Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. One of my college roommates used to buy an Entenmann's fudge iced cake every Monday at the store, and then he would have a slice of it every night. And he carefully cut and portioned these out so that they lasted a whole week, and then the next Monday he'd buy another one. Aside from admiring his amazing impulse control at having these portioned out slices, I also appreciated that he knew what he liked. He had this thing that he enjoyed that he took advantage of every day. I hope that you have something in your life, whether it's a slice of cake or listening to some music that you really like, reading, journaling, or whatever it is, that you bring something like that into your life every day. I think when we have those things that we can do on a regular basis, it makes life a lot sweeter indeed. Rise and Whine is weekly, and if you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and share below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.